Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix contacts not showing in WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp and your contacts are not showing in your WhatsApp, so let's see how can you fix the problem. First, you just have to keep a long press on WhatsApp, then select info icon, and here select permissions, then select contacts, then select allow. If you don't allow this, just happen allow and you're gonna naturally shown in your WhatsApp app. But if you want the setting here, you just have to open your phone settings, then open apps, and then look for WhatsApp app. Here's the WhatsApp, tab on it, and here select permissions, then select contacts, and then select allow. And after that, you will be able to see your contacts in your WhatsApp app. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.